Welcome to the demonstration of the Anupath Nano, an innovative IVD device that puts the power of health monitoring in your hands. Today, we'll explore testing both blood glucose and hemoglobin using this single device. During this demonstration, we will guide you through the simple steps involved in utilizing this device. To perform the test, you'll require the following components: the Anupath meter, Anupath test strips, a lancing pen, lancets, and an alcohol swab. Anupath meter has multitasking user button, the OLED display. An insertion port allows you for precise insertion of testing strips. Before proceeding with the test for the first time, it's crucial to select the code first. To do so, simply press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A mode selection screen appears on display. Here C stands for the code, which is used to configure the strip vial by setting the code to match the device. M stands for memory, which is used to view the last 25 test results. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code and memory. Select option C and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Here, BG stands for the code for glucose vial. HB stands for code for hemoglobin vial. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code for BG and HB. Select BG and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between code 11 and code 22. Refer to your glucose vial and select the correct code. Select 11 and press and hold the button for 3 seconds to select the code. Same procedure can be followed for hemoglobin also. Please note, user only need to select the code once for the entire set of strips within the vial. No need to reselect the code before each test. Prepare the lancing device before testing. A lancing device has a sliding barrel, trigger button, depth indicator, and adjustable cap. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the barrel anticlockwise to remove the device cap. Insert a new lancet into the device, twist it off, and pull out the safety cap of the lancet. Put the device cap back on. Pull the barrel back to load the device. You may hear a click to indicate the lacing device is now loaded. Hold the lancing device around the depth indicator and turn the adjustable cap to suitable depth. To perform the test, take the Anupath blood glucose test strip and insert it into the meter. A test selection screen will appear. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can toggle the selection between blood glucose and hemoglobin. Select BG and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A waiting screen will appear, which will show the test and the code. Clean your finger with an alcohol swab. Place the lancing device firmly against the sample site and press the trigger button to puncture the skin. Take the blood sample close to the capillary. Once the drop is detected, remove the finger from the strip. After the processing, the result will be displayed on the screen. Remove the test strip and dispose of it in medical disposable trash. To see the previous result, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Select the option M and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. By momentarily pressing the switch, you can cycle through the last 25 results. To perform the hemoglobin test, take the Anupath hemoglobin test strip and insert it into the meter. Select the option HB. Press and hold the button for the 3 seconds. Clean your finger with an alcohol swab. Place the lancing device firmly against the sample site and press the trigger button to puncture the skin. Take the blood sample close to the capillary. After the processing, the result will be displayed on the screen.